Congress Party.
La Plie ka Plie Hills Ensemble ba Sngi da Myntri Rangbah ka Jalau Conrad ke Sangma haringkat ka jingyadan lang Myntri ka tanat Arts and Culture uba san borsulai. Habakren ha ka jingyalang usangma uloong ba uni usnem ulong ba kongsan ha ka ba ke India ka raki ya ka jingdap nyopusan snem ka jinglat luit bat ka Meghalaya ka raki ya ka jingdap san posnem jong ka jingyok jala. Uloong ru ba barro bat kamtam ki badang samla ki dankam ban yo e ka jingnang jingstat bat bakin sngotu yala ka reti dustur bat ka tenrai bat ula samru ya ka khusnam recognition for development of arts and crafts villages shaki hindriut ligishnang khamashwa ula Plie perdaru ya umat jongki laingut ki riuslur ka Meghalaya kita utirot sing ukyang nangba bat upatagon Sangma.
To receive the award of recognition, the Heritage Musical Village, a big peaceful look back on all the different moments in history that we have been through, and more importantly, prepare for the coming 50 years and the future that is ahead of us, especially the young children who are out here today as students. The future is yours, and hence it's important for you to understand and realize where we have come from. As they always say that no matter where we go in the future, it's very important to remember your roots.
Habaki